How to rotate screen upside down on iPhone. I'm going to tell you how to rotate your iPhone screen upside down. Now, iPhones don't natively rotate upside down on the home screen for newer models. But in apps that support full rotation, like Safari or YouTube, just turn your phone upside down and it should work. First, check if your screen rotation is locked. Swipe down from the top right corner to open Control Center. Then look for the rotation lock icon, the padlock with the circular arrow. If it's red, tap it to turn it off. Then try rotating your phone again in supported apps. If it still doesn't work, it's because Apple removed the feature from most newer iPhones. On iPads and some older iPhones with a home button, it still works, but for most recent models, you're limited to portrait and landscape mode. There are third-party apps that claim to force screen rotation, but they don't always work system-wide. So unless Apple brings back the feature, we're stuck with the default rotation settings.